Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. How to make money on YouTube? The seven effective the strategy on YouTube. The how to make money on YouTube. The seven effective strategy. If you wondering how to make money on YouTube, look further that the seven strategy for monetization your channel and creative work. The add this most over the to make money on YouTube but not on a to or host and the best toy. Especially the best toy to make money on YouTube. YouTube is the hub the interest that is the 159 billion users the login in every month but the same time the 500 hours over the video are uploading inside and every minute. So you already know that articles is not going to be viewer easy but sweep watch with the ad revenue from your YouTube views. Thought if you have millions of videos views, you could probably the last train on way. The seven way to earn income from your YouTube channel, the complete step-by-step encourage. The table and content, join the YouTube partner program, sell your own match, create sponsor content, become an affiliate partner, guide your friends and pay your directory, use code founding, the license your content to media. Then 7 the number 1, join the YouTube partner program. Number 2, sell your own match. Number 3, create sponsor content. Number 4, become an affiliate partner. Number 5, get your friend to pay your directory. Number 6, use crowdfunding. Number 7, license your content others media. How to make money on YouTube? The number 1, join the YouTube partner program. The YouTube partner program is regular YouTube great access to special partner on the platform. You don't need to be partners to make money on YouTube. Just setting up an ads account and getting views, engage, handles that be but bring partner makes. It is lot of easy. YouTube partner have access to multiple income, the stemming not just video ad, but YouTube premium, subscription, praise and creators that take your lovely friends, via directory and the like, super chat, channel membership and this marching sell more and this late. Step 1. The start a YouTube channel. Don't worry. We have hard handy guide to the this is the how to create YouTube channel. Number 2, the second step, make your YouTube channel successfully engage that it meet the YouTube partner program requirement and that to partner program and you need to minimum of 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch time watch hour in the provide 12 month. Very important point. YouTube partnered 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour the previous the 12 month. This is the number 1 2 step. Number 3, step 3, set up an AdSense account. This is the simple and just YouTube official growth and AdSense account. Number 4, set up for the explore your new monetization feature, and the monetization channel has different usability requirement for inside. Then ad revenue, YouTube partner revenue, channel membership, and merchant help, and super chat payment. Number 5, submit A2 going reviews. Number 2, sell your own match. Number 4, explain your monetization feature. Each monetization channel has different requirement of instant the ad revenue. To earn ad, you must be the last 18 years old, and you must create content that the advertise friendly. Basically, the less conversion your videos, the more YouTube advertising will be comfortable running ad on them, and that more money you make. YouTube partner review, a life of YouTube premium membership. Watch your videos, your great potential, and just subscriber free, and that automatic watch in niche. The channel membership, in order to sell channel membership to you subscribe your friends, obtain your pay and examine the need at the best 18 to more than 30,000 subscriber. Merchant sell, in order to sell more from YouTube's membership, sell your grade B, 18 years old, have the last 100 subscribers. Super chat payment. If you want to, but you have ability to pay, there are messages high quality in this live chat, and during the live streaming too, you must be list 18 and live and county where this the if you front. Step 5, submit to organic reviews. As YouTube partner, your channel will be held and higher standard according to YouTube to have follows just the YouTube partner program policy and community guidelines. Friends, the nice presentation, the how to make money on YouTube, the effective 7 strategy. Then number 1, join the YouTube partner programs. Number 2, sells YouTube own member merch. Number 3, create sponsor content. Number 4, because the affiliate partner. Number 5, get your friends to pay your identity. Number 6, use the crowdfunding. Number 7, the license your content. This is the medias. The how to make money on YouTube, join the YouTube partner program. The start YouTube channel, the make your channel successfully engage that the meet and YouTube partner programs, and this 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour in the providing last 12 months. The step AdSense account. Step 4, explore your new monetization features, ad revenues, YouTube partner revenues, channel membership, merchant self-control, and the submit organic revenues, etc. etc. Thank you, my friend. watch my videos, subscribe, like, comment, shares my videos. Thank you. Best of luck.